Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time stopping by, hello, my name's Anthea and I create fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos. So if you enjoy hauls, unboxings, reviews, that kind of thing, please do consider hitting the red subscribe button down below. And once you're hitting the red subscribe button, please make sure you hit the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of my future videos. Now with all that being said, let's get on with today's video. In today's video, we are going to be looking at the new foundation from Zara. Now this is called the Limitless Soft Matte Foundation. Now this foundation comes in, I think it's 51 shades, which I think is pretty good going for a non-luxury brand and for a potentially no makeup brand. Now I know Zara have in the past come out with, I think, a few lipsticks in the past and also nail polishes, so I suppose they baby stepped into makeup, if you like. Now, Zara is mostly known for fashion. All over the internet, you'll see Zara hauls. So when it came to this foundation, I thought, you know what, I definitely want to give it a whirl, see what all the, if it is hyped, if it's good, if it's not, So what I will do is I will just read through with you what it actually claims on their website for this foundation. Okay, so it says it's a light, durable and adjustable foundation with a soft matte finish. The formula lasts up to 12 hours and helps to control oil to achieve an impeccable effect. It adapts to any skin tone and subtone. And then they also have a guide on there to help you find your correct foundation shade. So what I will say, obviously, a lot of people potentially, when I've googled this, I've noticed that a few companies or reviews are comparing it to Fenty. Now Fenty, I think, had 50 shades and Zara have come out with one extra shade. Now was that a strategic move? Who knows? It, just to have that one up on Fenty, because I think Fenty was the biggest at the time when they did their 50 shades. And whereas now Zara's come out and they've done 51, so it might be just to say, oh, we've got more than Fenty, with all the hype that kind of came around them. And also with that foundation, they have also managed to do, I think it's 36 complementary concealers as well. Now I didn't pick up the concealers because I didn't really see there to be much point in picking up the concealer, because my main focus was the actual foundation, and I've got a couple of concealers that from Fenty actually that I do enjoy using, so I didn't want to waste my money on purchasing them. Now the foundation comes in a 30ml glass bottle, and the cost is $14.99. Now I think for the price and the quality of the actual item, if I'm being totally honest, it's a really nice bottle. Now they've done it where it's on a little bit of an angle, so it's kind of slanted on, I think it's the base, which I'm not overly keen on. I don't dislike. It wouldn't be my preference. I prefer just a simple, classic, glass bottle. But they've tried to kind of do a little design on it. But whatever. It wouldn't put me off. But if I was in that design studio, I'd be like, yeah, let's just keep it simple. Let's not go crazy. Is there a need? No, let's not do that. But I wasn't there, so I have to deal with what came out of that kind of conversation, if you like. So yeah. What I will say, shades wise, I struggled with shades because I think generally I struggle matching my own shade. I don't know if I'm cool, warm, neutral, I don't know. I try, but I do struggle. Now what I will say, when you are reading through, obviously it says warm, cool and neutral, and which is good, they break it down, so if you do know what shade you are, or what undertone you are, it's easier for you to find. Now what I picked up, I think it was, let me see, I've got the bottles here. So I picked up N946 and then W943. Now the N946, I believe that's the darker one. I will do some swatches for you. And then the N943, I felt like it was a little bit too light. So yeah, I struggled with them. So unfortunately, I won't be able to wear these on their own. I will probably, if I am going to try it, maybe just mix them and see kind of what concoction I can come out with to see if it's something that's wearable. If not, I don't think I can return these. I checked on the website and I think it says, you know, you can return if it's not been opened, but for me it's like, how will I know? Because even what I will do is I'll put a cutaway of the actual colours on these, and the W93, it looks so light. Let me see if I can show you on here. Can you see that? It looks so light, and that's W943, and then the N946, I'll show you that. Can you see? I mean, I know the lights are a bit bright here, but looking at the box, there's no way I could have looked at that box and had a true reflection of what the foundation would have looked like using it or testing it. So again, it's a little bit deceitful. But what I will say as well, when I went into store in Manchester, they didn't have them in store to swatch. I did go in there first before ordering them online. I don't know if they're in the Trafford Centre in Manchester. There may well be, maybe that's a bigger store, so they'll have them there. But I really couldn't bother going all the way to the Trafford Centre, so I was like, you know, I'll give it a go for 14 quid. I'll give it a go. So yeah, the only thing I will say is hopefully they will get them in store. Because obviously ordering online, it can be just so hit and miss, because I do think, like, depending on the description, you know, everyone's neutral, every beauty brand's neutral isn't the same neutral, and every warm isn't the same warm. You know, I feel like they do vary slightly, so you know, it's always best if you can to swatch. So unfortunately for these, unless I can mix them and then look half decent, then I'm probably going to have to, I might pop into store and see, one, if they can exchange, or if I can. If not, when they're going to get them in store, so I can actually go back into store and swatch them, so I can maybe get an actual correct shade. So yeah, so unfortunately I'm going to say for me they are a dud, but as I say, that's more so down to me and me not getting the correct shade. When I've tried on the more, what I would say, lighter, ashy looking one, that I think it looks ashy, might not, but I think it looks ashy, I will say it does have like a really soft blurring effect. That's why I'm quite keen to go in and actually get my correct shade, because I think it'd be really nice to see what it actually looks like. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you yourself have actually purchased it, or if you've tried it. Just let me know your thoughts. Was it, you know, is it as nice as it looks? Do I need it in my makeup collection? Tell me, do I need it in my makeup collection? Can I give this a miss? As I say, I'm struggling to kind of have a true feeling for it, just because I've not been able to, you know, it's a shame. It happens though, like I say, it's my own fault, ordering online and being eggs up and just extra and what in it. So, you know what, it's what you get. It's what you get. So that's the end of today's video, and my lovelies. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Again, please leave any comments in the comment section below. Any thoughts, you know, let me know your thoughts on the foundation, if you tried it, that kind of thing, as I say. If you've also got any kind of, what I would ask actually is, if you watching, you know, makeup connoisseurs out there, what would you say that my undertone is? I struggle. I struggle. So if you're interested to let me know your thoughts, what you think my undertone is. You know, would you say warm, cool, yellow, whatever? I don't know. Leave comments down below. Let me know. Help a sister out. So please do make sure you hit the subscribe button before you leave, and also please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. It really does help my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. See you.